Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 1.4.13, Content on Hover or Focus. In this video, we'll show you how to verify that content triggered by hover or focus is usable and accessible. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 1.4.13 ensures that content which appears on hover or focus, such as tooltips or drop-down menus, can be dismissed, interacted with, and remains available long enough for users to engage with it. To perform the manual check, analyze the page for content that appears when an element receives hover or keyboard focus, such as tooltips, menus, or informational pop-ups. Verify that the content meets all of the following. Dismissible, it can be dismissed without moving the pointer or keyboard focus unless it communicates an input error or does not obscure other content. Hoverable, users can move their pointer over the new content without it disappearing. Persistent, the content remains visible until the user moves the pointer, dismisses it, or it's no longer relevant. If any hover or focus-triggered content fails to meet one or more of these conditions, add a failure. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 1.4.13 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Verifying these interactions improves usability for everyone, especially those using assistive technologies.
Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.